Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6, and today I'm going to show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to check your amounts or check the steps or amount of steps taken, you can do it in few ways on this watch. First way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display the step counter. This one does, as you can see. If yours isn't, you can always press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, scroll through it and look for some watch face that displays the step counter. For example, this one does as well, and then you can apply it and you will have the step counter on your watch face. Another way to check the steps is to swipe left on the screen like this and look for the health widget or activity widget, and here we have it. We have the activity widget. Does it show us steps? Yeah, here we have the steps, as you can see, and I believe the red graph is the steps, but I might be wrong. Red or orange one is the steps. You can also tap on this widget to open the activity app, and here we have the step counter, the graph, and then the counter right here at the bottom. And if you scroll down, you can also check the graph like this, normal graph, line graph, or whatever it's called, and it gives you like hourly graph and weekly graph as well. So you have more data right here in the activity app. And you can also just open the activity app by pressing the crown button, then finding the activity records to basically open the activity app, and you can track the data right here. And last way to check the steps is to do it on the phone. Basically, you have the app that is used to pair your watch with a phone called Honor Health, and in that application you can also track the steps. So if we zoom out the camera, of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work, but once you have the devices paired, you can open the app, and here we have the activity page, or not page but widget, and we can tap on it to open the my records, and here we have steps, and you can tap on them to check daily, weekly, monthly and yearly progression, so you can track the whole year if you want. And basically that's about it. That's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.